In this next video, I'm going to show you how to make these beautiful roses. As you can see, they've got the same definition as the ones that you'll make by hand using fondant, but they are still super simple and will take you a couple of minutes to make each. Okay, so the tips that we're going to use this time is the Wilton 124 again. You can use any large petal nozzle. As long as it's got a rounded end and a pointed end, you'll be perfectly fine to use that one. So don't feel you've got to go out and buy specialist equipment. Okay. And the same as with all our other tutorials that I've done today, the thinner edge is to be on the edge of your petals. So you're looking for that to be the top. So we're holding the piping bag just like this. So to do your first bit in the centre, you will pipe and you'll turn your cupcake until you can overlap it just like that. Don't worry if it's not perfect, this is going to be almost covered by the time you're finished doing your rose. Then what I do after that is squeeze, go over in a dome and push your piping nozzle, almost in front of the camera there, sorry. So I'll go over again and push down, over, push down. And you do that all the way around. If you find you get a gap like I had going on there, just push your nozzle in more when you start piping and it'll fill in the gap from underneath. Okay, so just squeezing and piping over. If you're left-handed, you might want to go the other way, but I prefer this because I am right-handed. So just piping almost little arc shapes. There we go. And keep doing that all the way around. I'll speed up a little bit more now. As I get towards the outside edge, I'm tilting my petal out a little bit more. So the tip faces the outer edge of the flower. So I'm just making sure it sticks to the flower. I'm going to pipe this as easy as I can to show you every angle. And I start every petal before the join of the last two. So if I was to pipe one here, I would start it here, going over, so the flattest part of the petal is over that join. And then goes past the next one as well. Just one more there and we are finished. As you can see, it's really easy to do. Put that down next to the other one. You can make your flowers either more open or closed just by changing the angle of the tip of your petal. So if you want them more like a bud, you can tip it towards the centre more. If you want it more as an open rose like I've just done, tip it towards the outside a little bit more. And that's it, that's how you do your roses. They're really simple to do and they go well with so many other flowers as well. I'll just put them with the ones we've already done today. And you'll see how pretty they look as a collection. I think you'll agree, with those in your bouquets, nobody's ever going to get bored. You can change the colours, you can add colouring to the edges of the petals, you can mix two colours in the piping bag if you want to. Experiment with the colours, have some fun and see what comes out at the end.